Jatend migao mar Labour Dr. Alfred Mutua okwedo mokalo lipode malandore ni jo-Kenya mosebed kikawo matiyo oko e bwo chenro mar kazi ma juu chandore kendo ok yud kata mana kar nindo kosetergi oko. Mutua ukonie kwan mar ji 500 mosekawo e bwo chenrono, 300 oseter oko ka 121 rito wuok machiegni ni. 84 oseyudo obok mag wuoth oko kendo iloso odiechieng' ma gibiro wuokie pacho ka. Bende oyango ni nitiere kweth magalagala mawuondo jo-Kenya ni kawnegi jotije kendo giseyudo kambi achiel moselu kod apisa mag okwach kich. Mutua kata kamano onyiso kuyo ma en go ewi wach mar ni moko kuom jo-Kenya ok opuodhi mar dhi oko nikech rembgi iyudo kod nyinyo mag yedhe mamero ji.
People are recruited in the coastal area. 500 were funded by the government. Out of the funded people, 300 have already traveled. 121 are yet to travel. 84 have visas and are about to travel anytime now. So the people who have not yet traveled, who are waiting for visas, are only 121 of the 500 that were funded. It is also to note that just because you applied for a job, just because you are given an offer letter and you are funded, does not mean that you passed the medical tests. Unfortunately, we saw this at the coast. We've seen it in Ukambani, we've seen it in Nyanza, we see it in Nairobi. A lot of our young people are failing the drug tests. Umevuta bangi, within 3 months of the test, it shows positive and you can't travel. So especially drugs, especially marijuana, bangi. You smoke bangi now, within 3 months it is still in your blood system, it will show you will not get a visa. So some of these people who are claiming they have not traveled, they were conned, they need also to go and do personal medical checkups. They have failed the drug test and many other tests that they have not traveled. Others who have not traveled, should you be patient as we are line up.